7. What's your number?
Typically, an 8.5.
I think a 7. Ew.
This is an 8.75.
What are you eating?
It's almost a 9, but it's so messy.
I agree.
She's living my dream.
Cheers. She finally got it.
Oh my gosh.